Okay, so today after a while we are doing a hard problem. Hopefully this will not take 1 hour. Serialize and Deserialize N-ary 3. Serialization is the process of converting a data structure or object into a sequence of bits, so we store it in file or memory buffer or transmit across network connection link to be reconstructed later in the same or another computer environment. Design an algorithm to serialize and deserialize N-ary 3. No more than n children. Just that can serialize to string and it can be deserialized. Or you can follow okay, and okay, I mean number of nodes is 10 to 4 and height is less than or equal to 1000. That is interesting. G. I think that's one way to put it, but okay, we want to preserve the numbered nodes, so we want to preserve the numbered nodes, so we just somehow embed numbers, but depends on what the goal is. If minimize number of bits or whatever, we will not use char for integers, but we are using strings, so whatever. My idea is that we can have like so let's say a node starts and it will be a bracket, right? So we will start, so we start a node, right? We put its number and then we go over children, and then child has 2, and then this guy has 3, and that has 6, and then there is 7, and there is 11, and there is 14, right? So and then we finish, so 1, 3, and then we go and we store 4, 8, 12, and then we store 5, 9, this guy has 13, and then except 9 we also got like 10. I think this should work, and this will allow us to reconstruct it because we will just this will be one child, and then we jump here, so we match this and then this, and until the next character is that we again match, right? So okay, we match this, so we match this guy, and that should be all the way here, and then we match 4, which is all the way here, 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then we match all this, I think, and then finally this 1 2 3. Yeah, probably. So how that's gonna work is string result let's do like private result or no, string result is this, and then we do like with result, right? And then DFS will work like this. Now question is, what will be the limit here? Like, not sure, but okay, so void DFS node root. So we add this, then we add this, and then we go for auto child root children plus toString root val, and then we do DFS on child result. So this encodes a string. Let's see. So you'll probably break the whole thing, but whatever. No, don't submit. Okay, so we got something here. I think it even matches what I wrote. Fair enough. And now we have to just deserialize, right? So if data is this, return new just an empty node, right? So we take care of the edge case, and then DFS2 from like node result new node, and let's put result and data. So we do void DFS2, which takes in a const string data maybe, and then basically we need like a pointer also, so int pointer is 0. Right, so first we are here, so pointer plus plus, and then what we want to do, so now we scan the number. Pointer 2 is pointer, while pointer don't equal this, and data pointer 2 don't equal this, pointer 2 plus plus. Okay, so now we got a number, so we wanna so we want value is, or this node val is strconf, no, let's go long. So this is like stoy string to int data string num is this, and then num plus equals data pointer 2, and then it's like num maybe. Okay, so now pointer 2 is technically I don't need pointer 2 then. So now we are on closing or ending bracket. So we parsed a number. Node children vector node is this, so like an empty thing. Well, let's see if you compile. Yeah. I don't need this. Now while point data pointer equals this, then we want to do dfs2 so I need to create node child, new node children push back child pointer and data, and then pointer finishes here, so okay, so they just want null pointer. Okay, I mean, I guess that works. I'm not sure what they want, to be honest, but let's see what's in editorial. Parent child, I mean, not sure this is very good, but you know, suddenly you have 10-4 and why couldn't be 1-0? I don't know, that doesn't seem great. Each node, so my length is like 3 something. I mean, I think mine is pretty clean. Yeah, but it's quite well, my size is the number, so I just represent the numbers plus That doesn't matter. How do you know final size of string is 2n? I mean, string builder build string, so I mean, not that amazing, to be honest. Parenthesis string, so we can represent each node by val, child 1 val, essentially each node is wrapped inside brackets. Each node's value is wrapped inside brackets, and each child is recursively printed after value before closing bracket. To reconstruct the tree, we simply skip opening bracket, parse the value, and then if the next character is a closing bracket, the node does not have any other children, and we can otherwise we parse its children, parse its child, and then we are in the same situation. So we parse children recursively until we meet a closing bracket. Complexity of n to construct the string, since we just do a simple DFS and of n to reconstruct. Not really, because for each node we add constant number of we add two brackets and log n number of digits representing the number where n is the number of the nodes. The encoded tree has a length of n log n, which we just linearly scan and build the tree in linear. Build the tree while doing it. Therefore, reconstructing the deserializing the string has the same time complexity as serializing. Of n log n, since that is the length of the serialized string, but for the DFS we do not use more than constant amount of information post. Okay, I mean,